Jai Srimanarayana. 8th sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Indriyardeshu Vairagyam Anahankara Yevacha Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi Dukkha Dosha Anudarsanam. Om. Consciously cultivate the following divine qualities, because Sri Krishna Paramatma wanted to see you are leading your life with these good qualities. The qualities are renunciation of the objects, which gives gratification to your sensory organs. Absence of false ego and constant perception of grief of the birth, death, old age, and disease. Consciously make an attempt to cultivate those qualities to please and satisfy Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall consciously make an attempt to cultivate those qualities which you wanted to see. I am leading my life with those qualities. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall renunciate all the objects which gives the gratification to my sensory organs. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall inculcate the quality, absence of false ego. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall constantly perceive the grief of the birth, death, old age, and disease. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమద్భాగవతము దశమస్కంధము 10th స్కంధం 235th డే. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this, O Deva, Tvat Vinirgataha Asmi, I came from you. నారాయణః త్వం నహి సర్వదేహినాం ఆత్మా అసి అధీశ. ఓ పరమాధీశ శ్రీకృష్ణ, ఆల్ దీస్ లివింగ్ బీయింగ్స్ కేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ అండ్ యూ ఆర్ సోల్ టు ఆల్ లివింగ్ బీయింగ్స్. యూ ఆర్ నారాయణ, అఖిల లోక సాక్షి నారాయణః. You are the witness to all worlds. That is why you are Adi Narayana. There is nothing in this entire universe in which you don't exist. Nalinaksha neevu Adi Narayanundavu, Jalamu Naramu Jeevachayamu, Naramandu Neevunta, నీయందు అవివుంటను నారాయణుండను నామమయ్యే. Hey Bhagavan, the one who has beautiful divine lotus-like wide eyes, O Krishna, you are the cause to the entire universe. All these waters and souls, if they call as Naras, you are there in them, they are there in you. That is why your name became Narayana. And all these living beings will be coming, existing and going, disappearing, whereas you always will be existing. నీ మూర్తి ఇది నీకు నిజమూర్తి అనరాదు. O Narayana, there is no any specific rupam to you. All shapes, all forms belongs to you. And you are the one who is there in this entire Srishti and the entire Srishti there within you. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं. हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 13th chapter 8th श्लोक. ఇంద్రియార్థేషు వైరాగ్యం అనహంకార ఏవ చ జన్మ మృత్యుజరా వ్యాధి దుఃఖదోషానుదర్శనం. ఇంద్రియార్థేషు వైరాగ్యం అనహంకార ఏవ చ జన్మ మృత్యుజరా వ్యాధి దుఃఖదోషానుదర్శనం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.